Doctor's Data Comprehensive Stool Analysis with Parasitology ×1. This is one of our mini stool tests here at Optimal Health Spectrum. We're going to make sure we have all the right contents in here, which should include an ice pack, a baggie with 2 vials, and a baggie with 1 vial, a collection basket, the directions here that I'm going to be going over with you. It has all the information you need. I highly recommend reading through this before getting started. The necessary paperwork. Optimal Health Spectrum has taken the liberty to highlight exactly where you need to fill out information. This particular test is $275. Be sure to get the back as well. A FedEx bag and a FedEx label. So, you want a clean capture. You don't want it to have touched any urine, toilet water, toilet bowl, or anything. Just straight, clean catch. Only stool in here. So, put some oatmeal in there, for example. You can use the same stool specimen for all of these if you have enough. Hopefully you're producing enough stool to get this test done. For these two in here, it's a little bit easier in the sense that they have fluid preservative. So what you want to do is scoop your specimen into this tube until it reaches the fill line, which is this bold black line here. So fill it up enough to get to there. You should be good to go. And then you'll notice that this one, the loner over here, is completely empty. There's no fluid at all, so you need that much stool specimen in there. This one is a white cap, so it means it needs to be frozen. White like ice goes in the freezer. You will notice that there is indicators on the side here. You want to put your name, date of birth here, and then you could put in check off which consistency your stool is, whether it's a fully solid, semi-solid, really runny, or diarrhea. There's pictures indicating the consistency. Just mark whichever one it looks most like, and then you can have your information correlated with your paperwork all together with the tube. You want to use the glove here to protect yourself from touching your stool. You will unscrew the cap. You'll notice the little spoon has a jagged edge to help get from multiple areas. Oops, and you don't want to do that. All right, so you want to scoop in here until it reaches the fill line from different areas. Okay, so once you see that it's reached this bold red line here, you've captured enough. I think a little bit more should be good. Perfect. So, good to go. Screw the cap back on there very tightly. And then you're going to toss it back in the bag. Once it's in the bag, there is a back pocket. You'll drop the ice pack in there and toss this in the freezer right away. Then with the remaining, you will scoop. Now you'll see the fluid has reached that fill line, so it should be good to go. Shake it up for 30 seconds. Toss it in the bag. Same deal with this one. You see now that it has reached that red fill line as well. Shake that one up for 30 seconds. So definitely make sure you put the caps on very tightly, or else you're going to get stool and preservative everywhere, and neither of them smell good. So now that it's all been shaken up, close up the bag. Put this one in the box. This should already be in the freezer. Keep this whole box in the refrigerator until you are ready to ship. Once you have contacted FedEx, which the information in order to do step by step is here, they'll give you a window of what time somebody will be picking it up. When you know that they're coming, pull this from the freezer, put it with this. Make sure your paperwork is all complete and filled out. Put it right on top. And you want to close this up tightly. And then this entire box will go into the FedEx bag. Okay. There's a little section here for you to put the label, so it is an adhesive. You just stick it right on there, and then you will hand it to the man or woman that picks it up. If you want to take it upon yourself to take it to a FedEx location, that should be fine. Just make sure you hand it off to a person. Do not put it in a drop box. If you put it in a drop box, there's a chance it'll be compromised because it'll sit there too long. It needs to be directly in transit, so make sure you hand it off to somebody. If you have any questions regarding this test, highly recommend you call Doctors Data since they're the ones who made this test. They have all the answers. Their number is 1-800-323-2784. It is right here on the back.